If you have problems with allergies or your house just seems like it's not getting cold enough for you, then this one's for you. So enjoy the video! I had a problem with my AC not being as cold as it should be in the house, so I hired a professional company by the name of Midwest Ducts. You know how it is, you don't want to spend a lot of money on someone to come to your house, but I highly recommend and encourage you, if you have not ever got your house ducts cleaned out, get them done. But what Midwest Ducts did, they came in, they vacuumed out my ductwork, they cleaned my vents, and once they left, I noticed a huge difference. You can actually hear the airflow once again in my house. I had to turn the thermostat to a higher temperature to make the thermostat turn off the AC because it was that much colder once I had continuous flow. So take time out to get that done. Like I said, it's not going to hurt you. It's a one-time investment. You should get your house checked at least every 5 years. But they did a great job. So once again, Midwest Ducts, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, I give you a 10. You have great customer service. I'm highly satisfied with everything that you did. So now I'm going to show you some before and afters.